The story begins in a quaint neighborhood, where Conrad, a young boy with a perpetual cough, lives in a cozy house. Underneath Conrad's home, there's a small crawl space where a skunk named Rosie, who has a crippled leg, has made her den. Conrad is seen sitting on his porch, coughing softly, while watching other kids play in the distance. Rosie cautiously peeks out from the crawl space, intrigued by the sounds she hears. She cautiously approaches Conrad, who's surprised to see her.
Oh, hi there, I've never seen you here before.
Hi, I'm Rosie. I live under your house.
Wow, that's neat. Sorry about the coughing. That's kind of my thing.
Rosie shared her dream with Conrad, expressing her desire to explore the world beyond the crawl space. Conrad listened intently, inspired by Rosie's bravery.
I've always wanted to see the world, but my crippled leg holds me back.
Don't worry, Rosie. I will help you explore the world right here in our neighborhood.
Conrad and Rosie embark on their first adventure together, exploring the backyard. They climb trees. And they chase butterflies. As they return home, Conrad notices Rosie struggling to climb back to the crawl space.
Don't worry, Rosie, I've got you.
Conrad gently lifts Rosie, helping her back to her cozy den. They exchanged grateful smile, their friendship is stronger than ever. As days passed, Conrad's cough gradually improves, thanks to the joy and laughter shared with Rosie. Meanwhile, Rosie's confidence grows, and she learned to navigate her surrounding with ease. The neighborhood kids, once wary of Conrad's cough and Rosie's appearance, now join them in their adventures, embracing their unique friendship. The story ends with Conrad and Rosie sitting on the porch, watching the sunset together, grateful for adventures they shared and friendship they formed.